24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers. In today's video, we will cover the topic of static electricity and charges from chapter 5 of Science grade 5. The video will cover static electricity, charges and their properties. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Greet the students with a smile and ask them how they are. Then start introducing the lesson with a quick recap of what the students already know. Remember to always start building a new lesson upon previous knowledge of the students. Hence, you may ask them the questions like, what is electricity? Name some electrical instruments. Keep connecting their answers with new questions so that a foundation to the lesson is developed. This will help the students revise about the behavior of electricity. Keep writing the responses on the board. With the help of the textbook, explain to the students what static electricity is and how it is produced. You can also demonstrate it to the students by running a comb through hair several times and then bring it near pieces of paper. Also tell them how lightning is due to static electricity. Explain to the students with the help of the textbook what an atom is. Tell them about subatomic particles and how they are able to produce different types of charges. You can also show the properties of charges through an activity. Take two inflated balloons and rub them against each other several times. Now bring them close. They will repel each other. Take one balloon close to a wall and it will stick to it. Explain to the students that as both balloons had the same charge, they repelled each other. The charge on the wall was opposite to that of the balloon and they attracted each other. With the help of the students, quickly recap the lesson. Try to make the student participation more. For homework, you can ask the students to prepare the models of atoms with ping pong balls or modeling clay. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.